welcome my friend, and next I am planning to show you that how you can replace these Honda Civic cars, these headlights, low beam and high beam bulbs, and also flasher bulb and parking bulb. And let's go to do the job, and we really need to take now this bumper away, and let's look at how this bumper removal works and goes. Okay, and now this headlight housing is finally free, and we can go to look at back area also, because here we have these bolts what we have to replace when we are doing this servicing, and let's go to look through these. And now we have this our headlight housing, and here are all of these bulbs what we need to replace. This is firstly parking bulb, this is headlight beam bulb, and this is low beam bulb, and in here we have one this flasher bulb. It should be in here. Let's look at where we find that, but let's start this job. Okay, firstly I open this high beam, and these bulbs open, so that I need to rotate that little bit in here, and these are tight. Look, tight, and now this part opens. And there is not much this space, and there is this high beam bulb, and when we look at type, I press this central area and I pull out this bulb, and these are really tight, these connectors. Okay, and now we can see that what is this type. And here is really this high beams bulb, and there is this type, and it looks like that it is HB3 is this type. And when we check that this my current one, it is okay, because there inside in this glass this cable is solid. Okay, this is really high beam light, and there is this type. Okay, then we take next bulb. And then we have left this low beam headlight, and now I open this connector, and then when I rotate that, there is this front low beam, this headlight bulb, and then we look this type. Okay, and then we look the type. There is Philips is maker, and then we can we see in this type there is this H. I take more light. We can see this type. I check that in. And this is HB4 low beam headlight bulb. HB4. Now I install that back. Firstly in their inner, and then rotation. Now it's in position. This goes nicely in these holes. Look, this is difficult to. And then rotation, and then I install this connector. Okay, now this part is back. Excellent. Now we have replaced all of these bulbs, and we can install this headlight console back in this position.